You're gonna lose money like a loser in 2025 if you don't watch this video. This video essentially shows an AI app, a free AI app that makes anyone say what you want them to say. How cool is that? Let's say Donald Trump is saying, "Happy birthday to you" song to you. Step number one, go to Google and search Save Text to Video Lip Sync. It's important because otherwise I couldn't find this model in their website. Then you will be here. On the right hand side, click this little trash can and delete the existing video. Then upload the video you want to work on. I'm going to show you one of my videos and then you can decide which video you want to use. It's uploaded in a matter of seconds. You're going to lose money like a loser in 2025 if you don't watch this video. This video essentially shows an AI app, a free AI app that makes anyone say what you want them to say. Enough. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Instead of creating or writing anything new, because you already know how ChatGPT works, I'm just going to copy the whole text that I have and put it right here, Control V. And I'll keep everything as is and simply hit submit. It's processing. It will take a while. When it's done, we'll be back. Okay, the job is done in just 7 minutes and let's listen to it. A final thought. You're not just building a side hustle, you're creating a future of financial freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. The system, tools, and strategies are all here for you. The only question is, will you take the next step? Remember, the only way to fail is to give up. Stay consistent, trust the process, and let AI and automation work for you. Your journey is just beginning, and I can't wait to see what you achieve. My lips don't look like this. That is not me. That's the problem with free softwares. Don't buy free softwares, even if it's $0. Don't buy them. But still, let's compare side by side. This was the original. You're gonna lose money like a loser in 2025 if you don't watch this video. Now, let's watch the AI one. A final thought. You're not just building a side hustle, you're creating a future of financial freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. The system, tools, and strategies are all here for you. The only question is, will you take the next step? Voice-wise, style-wise, pretty cool, right? Okay, I'm gonna download this file. A final thought. You're not just building a side hustle, you're creating a future. And then I will change the lip sync engine to something else like this Muse Talk and then submit. And here we go, the new one. A final thought. You're not just building a side hustle. You're creating a future of financial freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. The system, tools, and strategies are all here for you. The only question is, will you take... Well, not bad at all, but that's not exactly me. Okay, I'm out. I'm not gonna make myself talk. Let's have a look at a use case scenario.
What you essentially need is someone talking without text, like this video right here. This girl is telling the story time and there's no text over it. So what you could do for an example, and I don't recommend doing this, but you could take this, copy the link, and then go into snaptik.app and then just download the TikTok video straight from TikTok without the watermark or captions. And obviously, if you're using this as an example, you type in story time and then someone that matches the target demographic that you're trying to advertise to. So
that's the important point here. Somehow you get one piece of video from somewhere. Get somebody to do it for you. Use PLR, use Creative Commons videos from YouTube, I don't care. Then put the video and the new text script into AI. Now, because this video matches your demography, it will attract the right audience. So the new video to be uploaded to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. The question is, how do you make money from this video? You see, on Instagram and TikTok, you have a profile or bio. In that bio, you are allowed to add your link. It should never be an affiliate link. It should always be your own website link. I personally prefer this link should be an opt-in page that will ask for email and, if you want to take the hassle, the mobile number of your visitors. And the opt-in page should offer something valuable to your audience. So they give up their real email and real mobile number to you. Now, the reason we do this is called follow-up. With email and mobile number, you can reach out to them, you can build relationship, you can build trust, you can share new video with them, and all these to remind them of your brand, of your products, and of your services. And when you build those relationships, trust, publish new video every day, and basically become an authority of your niche, they will use the reminder, buy from you, and you make money. YouTube and Facebook are a bit different. The bio is still there, but the bio is not the best place to put your link. You should put your link in the description on YouTube videos, in the first comments of YouTube and Facebook both, and don't forget to mention in your videos where you put your link so your viewers can find it. This looks easy. You basically use AI, make a video, and upload the video. It will take a couple of seconds of your time per upload. But the problem is you do not have a product to sell. Am I right? Which is also called partnership. And there are two types of partnerships. Partnership with platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. They pay you for views once you join their partnership programs. Unfortunately, this is not open to all countries. But there's one more kind of partnership that's open in all countries. And anyone can do it, starting from beginner to experienced, whether it's international or local. And it is called affiliate marketing. Now, you might be saying, Mosh, even if it's with AI, I'm not quite ready for videos. That's okay. There are other methods of getting traffic and customers from social media 100% free without using paid advertisement. One of them is called tap method. That's a whole new topic for a whole new video. But the most exciting part of this tap method is it does not need you to make videos. You can use any free AI application, text, and free social media. Now, I have a complete video step by step on this tap method. I'm dropping the link in the description below. It will come with a system which is 99% done for you. And this system is responsible for making a lot of money for the beginner members of our program. All these students in our program joined as a complete beginner just by following the simple steps and using our 99% done for you system. They made $500, $1,000, $1,200 in passive affiliate commission for every sale. Ilham made 3 commissions, $900 in just 2 weeks. The link to the training video is in the description of my YouTube video. Go ahead, watch that video. You will learn step by step what we do and how we help our beginner students, just like yourself. And again, it is a 99% done for you system. Go watch the video. It's free to watch. And after watching, if you have any questions, feel free to reach me out via Instagram DM, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Was this video helpful? If yes, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and to learn more money making techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.